कक्षा छठी का लेसन इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे 3.2 द मैजिक हब। लेसन का नाम क्या है? द मैजिक हब। 3.2 द मैजिक हब। Knock knock knock. Someone was knocking on the door. On the door of the inn. It was already getting dark outside. Who is there? The innkeeper. The innkeeper called from within. I am a poor, tired merchant. I want to spend the night at the inn, said the man outside. The innkeeper was not pleased to hear that the man was poor, but all the same he opened the door and brought him inside. The merchant wore simple garments and carried only in a simple cloth bag on his back. I have spent a long trying day at the market. I don't have the energy to walk back to my village. Please prepare a simple dinner for me, requested the merchant. The innkeeper just nodded and went back to the kitchen. What the point in serving such beggarly customers? He called himself a merchant. But look at this cloth out. Look at his cloth out. He has to carry his merchandise himself. Cannot afford a servant. Cannot himself. Cannot afford a servant. Cannot complain. Cannot afford even a good meal. He began to complain to his wife. You are right, said his wife. He was as greedy and unkind as her husband. We cook a meal for him. Give him a place to sleep. And what is he going to play in return? Just a couple of coins. Maybe. Why did you take him in? Why did you take him in? Drive him out. No, said the innkeeper. That is not good For out reputation. But I have an idea. A very clever idea. I have this magic herb. I have this magic herb. I bought it long ago. Whoever eats these herbs forget something. We will cook a good meal for this yellow and add the magic herb to it. Then he is sure to forget some of his merchandise here tomorrow. How clever you are! Exclaimed the wife. Yes. What else can he forget? He has just his merchandise with him. Maybe he will forget all of it and leave it behind here. It will surely be ours tomorrow. Okay, so that's what the greedy couple did. They cooked a tasty meal for their customer and added the magic herb to it. The poor merchant did not suspect anything. He thanks the innkeeper for the good meal and went to bed. The next morning, as soon as the innkeeper and his wife woke up, they went to the merchant's room. But alas, the merchant was not there. The room was empty. What is this? There is no one here. And where the bag of merchandise? That too is gone. Let's check the magic of herb. Is quite strong. He must have forgotten something. He must have left something behind. The inner keeper searched in every nook and corner of the room. But he couldn't find anything. How come he forget? Nothing. I can't believe it. Said he. Suddenly, the wife slapped herself on the forehead. We were so foolish. He has certainly forgotten something. He has forgotten to pay us. The innkeeper never used the magic herb again. ओके, अ जापानीज फॉक टेल.